Are you confused about the difference between a bookkeeper and a financial controller? You're not alone. Understanding their roles can help you manage your business finances more effectively. Let's break it down in the simplest way possible. A bookkeeper is the backbone of your financial records. They handle daily tasks like recording transactions, reconciling bank statements, and managing invoices. In short, they keep your financial data accurate and up to date, ensuring a smooth workflow. Now, a financial controller takes things a step further. They analyze financial reports, ensure compliance, and assist in strategic planning. Think of them as the bridge between bookkeeping and high-level financial decision-making. While bookkeepers focus on recording, controllers focus on interpreting and strategizing. If you're a business owner looking to simplify your finances, Lucratix Bookkeeping Services is your best outsourcing partner. We ensure your books are handled with precision, accuracy, and efficiency, so you can focus on growing your business. Plus, with our expert insights, you'll always stay ahead financially. Let Lucratix take the stress out of bookkeeping for you. Visit our website today or DM us for a consultation.